What if being smart with money after 50 wasn't about spending less but about spending better? I used to buy things to treat myself until I realized joy didn't come from shopping bag. It came from connection, coffee with a friend, planting something, creating memories. Before buying, I ask, will this bring joy beyond payday? If not, I pause because every rand should earn a memory, a skill, or a smile. Spend intentionally, live abundantly, and let your money serve your joy, not steal it. Follow Thrive 60 for more ways to feel better, live richer, and grow stronger after 50. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com. Thank you for watching.